So here we've got 3 pieces of Cat 5, the grey one being PVC, the purple one's low smoke, and the black one is external grade. So they're all data cables, and I'm going to stick them in the fire. And it's hot. Let's see what burns. Right, there we go. And it's melting hot, standing where I am. Right, the black one's melting. Starting to dribble. The grey one is melting. Let's pull them out, have a quick look. Okay, right, so the black one's burning quite seriously. Now, let me just zoom out here. See that the black one is burning a treat. Wow. The purple one is smoking a little bit. The grey one is really melted. Whew, hot. So black cable inside, not a good idea. Ooh. God, that's hot. Get back a bit. Wow. Man, that's hot. Okay. The black one is starting to set fire to the purple. Let's turn around a bit. Okay, it's hard to see. The purple one has turned black. Yeah. Okay, let's pull it out. Have a look at it. Whew. Okay, let me put them down on a piece of concrete. Now. Right, so the black one is still burning. You can see the copper. The purple, which is the low smoke, is charred but not burned. And then the PVC was melting nicely. Surprisingly, it didn't go up in flames like the polyethylene black one did. But hot metal rod. Yeah, let's stick them back in. Right, hard to see, but the grey one, which is sort of left to right, from 3 to 12, is burning. So the PVC is burning, and the low smoke is also burning. Yeah. Whew. Right. It's enough of one experiment with hot things.